Class 10, today we are studying about the consumers. The consumers, they are the organisms which are called as heterotroph. They depend for their food on the other organism, directly on the plants or indirectly on the other organisms or on the other animals also. The consumer, they are of two types, primary consumer and the secondary consumer. The primary consumer, they are also called as the herbivores. The herbivores, they are the organisms which depend for their food on the plants, or they depend upon for their food on the plants, and they are also called as the primary consumer. The primary consumers, they are directly depend upon the plants, and the second then is the carnivores. Carnivores, they are the organism which actually they feed on the other animals. The primary carnivores, they are actually the secondary consumers, and the secondary consumers or the primary carnivores, they include the examples as the fox, frog, predators, predat- predatory birds, many fishes, and such snakes. And the secondary carnivore, they are also called as the tertiary consumers. The secondary carnivores, they feed on the primary carnivores. For example, wolf and the owl, they are secondary carnivores. And these secondary carnivores, they are fed by the tertiary carnivores, for example, lion, tiger, etc. Now, decomposers. The last and the final component of the ecosystem is very important. It is decomposers. Decomposers or the reducers, they are actually the organism which break down the complex organic molecules of the dead matter of the plants and animals into simple compounds or simple components. So they secrete the digestive enzymes into dead material of the plants and dead material of the animals to digest the organic compounds or organic materials. And these organic materials, when they are digested or decomposed into simple substances, these substances are then again utilized in recycling of the nutrients, and they conserve again the nature. And the remaining substances which absorbed or which are added to the environment, many types of the bacteria and the fungi, they are actually the principal decomposers of the biosphere.